Welcome back once again. In this part, we will start working on our alert dialog. So go to this home activity. First, we need to add our floating action button. So private floating action button, fav button, and this fav button is equal to find view by id r.id.fav. Now this fav button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Now we need to create a new method. So private void, and we can call it custom dialog. So now call this custom dialog inside floating button set on click listener. So now alert dialog dot builder, and we need to create an object. We can call it my dialog is equal to new alert dialog dot builder, and this one is going to be home activity dot this. Now layout inflator is equal to new layout inflator, not new, we need to call it layout inflator dot from is going to be home activity dot this. Now view, my view is equal to inflator dot inflate r dot layout dot input data, and second parameter is going to be null. Now my dialog dot set view is going to be my view, and alert dialog is equal to my dialog dot create. Now we need to show our dialog, so dialog dot show. Now we can run our apps. So hopefully we will see our home activity layout design, and it will take time to run these apps. Till that, I think we need to wait. Okay, it's take too much time for our application. I don't know why it's that much slow. So here is our application. So now we can see our custom toolbar, our text view, our amount, and now if we click our floating action button, we can't see, and the reason is that we did a mistake here. We added our alert dialog and we set it to my dialog. So we need to use our dialog, not my dialog. So this dialog is going to be, so dialog dot set view. We need to set our view inside our dialog, because we set our my dialog inside our object of our alert dialog. So now run these apps once again. Hopefully it will work. So hit this run button once again. So here is our application. And now if we click this floating action button, we can see our custom alert dialog. I think our design is awesome, and all this functionality and input field is done perfectly. In our next part, we will start working on our alert dialog input field, and we will add some condition that we need to have inside our alert dialog. So in this part, we successfully design our custom alert dialog and we successfully add our alert dialog. So I think that's it for this part. We will continue it from our next part.